Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn on or off the press the lower right corner of the touchpad to right click functionality on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. So you want to turn on or off that ability for the bottom right corner of touch to function as a right clicker as if you had a computer mouse. I show you guys how to make that adjustment. Right click on the start icon, select settings. On left side select Bluetooth and devices. On right side you will be getting the touchpad option guys. In my case I am in the computer, that's why I'm not getting it. In your case you are using laptop, there will be a touchpad option. Click on it. You just need to expand it and expand the tabs section. There will be a named as tabs sections. You just need to expand it. Underneath touchpad sensitivity, the last option would be to the press the lower right corner of the touchpad to right click. If you would uncheck that option if you want to turn that feature off, or do check mark it to turn it on guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.